Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore the incredible journey of Asian farmers in growing and harvesting grapes. A journey that has helped them achieve an astounding yield of 4.9 million tons of grapes every year. A truly impressive figure. Grapes are a crop that not only requires patience but also demands high expertise in cultivation. We'll step into the world of vast grape vineyards, where every stage from planting, nurturing, to harvesting is linked with stories and the continuous hard work of farming families. Let's start this fascinating journey of discovery together. Before diving into the specific stages of grape growing and harvesting, let's take a look at the bigger picture of the grape growing industry in Asia. In recent decades, with advances in technology and supportive government policies, many Asian countries have shifted focus and heavily invested in the grape farming sector. Particularly in China, Japan, and South Korea, this not only meets domestic grape consumption needs but also contributes to the global grape market. In Asia's grape industry, China is considered the pioneering country, with a significant portion of the region's vineyard area and large-scale farms. Additionally, Japan is famous for high-quality grape varieties that are popular worldwide, such as the Kyoho and Shine Muscat grapes, which are sought after for their unique flavors and vibrant colors. Climate is a key factor in the success of grape cultivation, with its diverse natural conditions. From temperate to tropical climates, Asia has had to overcome numerous challenges to grow this crop. In China, major grape-growing regions are typically concentrated in the northern and western parts of the country, where winters are cold and dry, and summers are warm, ideal conditions for grape development. However, factors such as climate change, water scarcity, and pest issues are always major obstacles, especially in recent years, with extreme weather events occurring more frequently. Farmers have had to adopt various measures, from using greenhouses, automatic irrigation systems to breeding new grape varieties that can better withstand harsh climates. Asia boasts a variety of grape types suitable for both fresh consumption and winemaking. For example, Japan's Kyoho grape, with its sweet taste, large size, and attractive appearance, is one of the famous varieties loved by many. Other varieties, such as Crimson, Ruby, and Shine Muscat, are popular not only in domestic markets but also for export to other countries. Alongside improving grape varieties, Asian vineyards have consistently applied modern technologies to enhance productivity. Automated irrigation systems help conserve water and improve resource efficiency. Additionally, the use of biotechnology to protect crops from pests and enrich the soil has become a common practice in large-scale vineyards. Grape cultivation begins with seed selection, plant nursery, and soil preparation. The soil must be enriched and thoroughly treated before planting to ensure the grapevines have the necessary nutrients. Farmers will stake the soil, prepare trellis systems for the vines, and then plant the seedlings into the prepared soil. Each grapevine is carefully tended from its infancy to maturity. In winter, when the vines have shed their leaves, farmers will prune unnecessary branches to allow the plants to concentrate nutrients on the remaining parts. When spring arrives, grapevines will start budding and prepare for the next season. To obtain the best quality grape clusters, farmers must wait until the perfect harvest time when the grapes are fully ripe and have reached the required sweetness. Typically, farms will harvest by hand, carefully cutting each cluster to avoid damaging the fruit. After harvesting, the grapes are brought to storage facilities for processing and packaging. For export varieties, preservation is crucial. Grapes are stored at appropriate temperatures and treated to maintain freshness throughout the shipping process. The vast grape production from Asian countries not only meets domestic demand, but also has a significant impact on the global grape market. Asian grape varieties are becoming increasingly popular, adding more options for consumers worldwide. Countries like China and Japan have built extensive distribution systems to export grapes to major markets such as the United States, Europe, and Southeast Asia. This is not only a source of pride for Asian vineyards, but also a testament to the continuous development of the agricultural industry in this region. In the future, the Asian grape industry promises to grow even more vigorously with new advancements in techniques and grape varieties. Ongoing research aims to create new grape types that are drought-resistant, less dependent on chemicals, and have higher nutritional value. In line with sustainable development trends, many farms have shifted to organic farming and are applying green technologies to minimize environmental impact. This not only protects the ecosystem but also enhances the value of Asian grape products in the global market. We hope that you will feel the effort and love of the farmers for the grapes through each bunch of fruit. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.